G'day there and welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. Well, it's happened. I have accidentally bought a BMW. As you know, you can see from these cars here, I've been buying BMWs online, cleaning them up, doing them up, using them as my work vehicles and for our other main vehicle as well. But this one you're looking at right now, yeah, that was an accident. My son is coming up to the age of needing a car, so I decided I'm going to start to look at some cars. What's it going to cost? Just to look at some 1 Series BMWs, some 3 Series BMWs. I was actually talking to him about, does he want that, or does he want an old Ford? Looking at something really old and all the rest of it. But these were in the picture, so I thought, well, I'll have a look on the auction and see what they're going for. So what's the best way to see what a car like this is going for? Well, you put on a cheap bid, don't you? Like a really, really silly low bid. And then, of course, it goes over that and it sells for 2 or 3 or 4 times what you've bid because your bid was silly. But no, I was driving home. We'd been away as a family doing some stuff on the weekend, coming home Sunday night and had my phone up as the navigator in the phone holder. All of a sudden, ding, this email comes in and it says, "Congratulations, you have won this auction." And I'm like, oh no, it'd be easy 4 or 5 days since I'd put this bid on. And I'm thinking, what in goodness name have I just won? So anyway, I grabbed the phone. I was driving and we're moving along pretty fast. So I passed it back over to my son and said, I don't believe this, but I've just accidentally bought a BMW. And everyone in the car's looking at me like, what? I'm like, yeah, I've accidentally bought a BMW. I said, Jam, there was this really clean little 3 Series. And then there was a really, really rough 1 Series. Can you have a look and see what car it was? Well, as you can see from the pictures, it was the really, really rough 1 Series. So this is the BMW that I accidentally bought. Got it at an absolute steal. Super cheap. Have a look at the mileage. The mileage is what made me put the bid on because the thing's just really, really low. Clearly hasn't been loved recently. But come on a journey with me. We're going to pick it up. We're going to see it for the first time. And then have a look. There's a playlist at the end called, I think it's called The Accidental BMW or the BMW I Accidentally Bought. Have a look through the playlist and you'll see the process of all of the cleaning that's involved inside and outside, polishing up the roof and putting new bonnet struts on it, replacing mirrors, getting mirrors on, the whole process. So come on the journey with us and see this car come together.